Hello everyone, today I would like to teach you all about grammatical lesson related to plural nouns. I took this lesson because some students have made mistake using plural noun and noun. I want you all to use plural noun correctly and we're going to study together now. So take a look at this slide. And we will do the definition of the noun but before we understand this definition, let us know the word noun. Okay, noun is a word that so here the noun and you say the word person. For example, like the word one boy, one apple, and plural noun is also similar to singular noun, but plural noun can start from two, like one, a plural noun and two of one people, that is, thing or idea. Like the word some boy, you can see the and six forest, two apples, and what do you notice about each of the words in the plural listener? So based on our lecture, we can see that boy and yeah, so at this point you can tell that each of the following noun is breakfast, treasure, die, water, mountain, adventure, plantation, hero, stranger, scholar, curriculum, volcano, writer, sin, carpenter, galley, cheetah, kitchen, rocket, partner, so you can see and we have some rule to know about plural noun. So rule number one, in order to form the plural of most noun, you simply add an s to the end of the noun, like this one. So singular, like the word boy, when we want to change the boy into plural, we have a. Like the word hair, we also put a, but actually hair is uncountable noun, we cannot put s. And giraffe, we also put a. Girl, yeah, girl with s. And door, you see this one, door change to doors, boy, voices, boot, yeah, boots. And rule number two, if the noun ends in sh, ch, h, or s, or z, so we have to put the s to make it plural. So notice that this word all in a hissing sound, right? So you take a look at the table here, like singular, brush with sh. When we change to plural, is brushes. Lunch, we change to lunches. Fork, foxes. Success and successes, and bus, buses. And rule number three, if a noun ends in a consonant plus y, the y changes to I before es is added. Note if the noun ends in a vowel plus y, just add s. And what are the vowels? So all the other letters are consonant. You can see this one. What are the vowels? Like a, e, I, o, u. Yeah, all of this one are vowel. But the word beside this one we call consonant. So play, as an example for you, you can see this one. And in a vowel, and Y, therefore the plural form is play, we just put S. The word monkey and in a vowel as well, yeah, in E vowel, and Y, therefore the plural form is monkey. We just put S with this one, we don't change this one. But the word party and in T consonant and Y, therefore the plural form is party. We have to change Y to IES. And the word candy as well. So and in D is in consonant. And then Y, therefore the plural form is candy. Okay, take a look at the table. Like the word boy, boys. Yes, but the word baby, when you change to plural, you have to change Y and then put ES, babies. Lily, lilies, family, families, pony, and the word day, just put S. Okay, rule number 4. Most of the words that end with F, double F, or FE, are made plural by changing the ending to VES. So keep in mind that when we have, the word that end with this consonant, like the word loaf, when we change to plural, we have to change F, and then we put ES, like the word loaf here, change to loaf. Shift, shift, wool, wool, life, lice, half, half, and knife, change to nice. And there are exceptions that must be memorized or looked up. So, like the word chief, you take a look at the table more, and singular and plural. So, chief, we change to a plural chief. Cliff, also cliff with A. Yeah, the word proof, proof. Belief, beliefs. And gaff, gaff. Roof, roofs. Chef, chef. Sniff, sniff. And chef, you see, chefs. Ref, giraffe, yeah, a giraffe, sorry, and giraffes. Cafe, cafes, and chief, and chiefs. And rule number 5, words that end in O are usually made plural by adding S. So when we have O, we have to put S, like the word auto here, change to autos, kangaroo, kangaroo, kilo, kilos, and memo, memo, photo, you see, photos, piano, piano, and pimento, and pimentos, punchu, and punchus, bro, bros, solo, solos, soprano, and sopranos, right, studio, and studios, teto, tetos, video, videos, tobacco, and tobaccos, and zoo, zoos. So there are exceptions that must be memorized or look up. So, however, we have a number of rules that I have mentioned above, but we have some exception, right, for this plural noun, like the word echo. Here even we have O, but when we change to plural, not S, so we have to put ES. Hero as well, we change to hero, and potato, tomato, you see this one, and torpedo, torpedoes, echo, and echoes again, and veto and vetos, and embargo and embargoes. And there are two, helpful rules. So all words that end in a vowel plus O, like the word AO, EO here, you see, IO, double O, and UO here. So have plural that end in just S. All musical terms ending in O have plural ending in just S as well. So the first one, you have to remember this one, mean all the words that end in a vowel plus O. I mean that like the word A here, vowel A, vowel E, right? And I here, we pronounce also E as well, and O, and U, okay? And the second one is about musical term. Yeah, we also put S. And rule number 6, some words are the same in both the singular and the plural form. Right, some words we don't change to, plural by adding S. So we still keep the same form, like sheep, mouse, moose, sorry, yeah, moose, and deer, also deer again, perch, perch, salmon, and salmon, fish, tuna, trout, bison, surrey, swine, and cock. So all of these words, right, keep the same form, both plural and singular. And rule number 7, some words from their plural by changing the whole word These are called irregular noun. With irregular noun, you have to memorize the plural form. So irregular noun is a bit difficult. We can say that it's more difficult than regular noun because in English we have regular noun and irregular noun. So irregular noun need you to keep in mind, right? Because we cannot, analyze it. Like this one, you can see mouse. When we change to plural, mice. Child, change to plural is children. Man, min, tooth, teeth. Food, feet. Goose, geese. Person, people. Ox, oxen. And louse, change to lice. Woman, change to women. Okay, that's all for this lesson, and I will tell you about the exercise. So now we're going to look at the exercise, and this one is about the lesson, and here is an exercise for you guys. Okay, this exercise I want to test you whether you understand this one. Okay, like this one. So write P if the noun below is plural, write S if the noun below is a singular. So like number one, you can see, and number one is houses, number two baby, number three church, number four table, and number five books, number six bus. So take a look at this one. Which word is plural? Which word is singular? Okay, you do it already. And now we take a look at the answer for this word. Okay. Yeah, here is the answer. Number one is plural. Number two, baby, singular. Number three, church, singular. Number four, table, plural. Number five, book, plural. And number six, bus. Yeah, so we add ES to make noun plural that end with like buses, you see? Yeah, and with A like the word buses, and H, taxis, CH like the word benches, and SH like the word dishes. And we change IS to make noun plural that end with a consonant, and A, Y like the word lady, we change to lady, fry, we change to fries. Yeah, some noun that end in F or FE change to VS when made plural like the word calf, you see. I have explained you guys already, but to make sure you understand more by looking at this word and the picture, yeah. Like the word calf, yeah, knife, we change to plural. Sorry. Okay, some noun that end in O change to S when made plural, some change to A, kangaroo, you see this one, kangaroos, potato, yeah, also potato with ES. And another one, some noun that do not change at all when made plural, like the word sheep, cheer, yeah, man, goose, all of these are called plural irregular noun. And now I wanted to make this plural noun into plural, like the word number one, half. How can we change into plural? Number two, number three, a piano, number four, spy, and number five, brush. And look at the answer of this one, half. When we change to plural, yeah, like this. And number two, yeah, feet. Number three, pianos with a spy and brushes. Yeah, how about this word? How about irregular plural noun? Number one, mouse. Two, mammal, cell, leaf, and child. So when we change to plural, like number one, mice, mammal, cell, leaf, and children. How about this one? Yeah, number one, sheep. Two, woman, fish, photo, and number five, die. And here are the answer, yeah, for this word. Sheep, we change to sheep with E, with a change to Y, a change to VES. And number two, yeah, irregular plural noun, woman, we change to women. And number three, fish, photo. And number five, this. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope everyone can understand this lesson, and I will put more lesson for you guys, and please subscribe this video, right? Thank you for your watching.